Hi, my name's Cassie with In-Depth Utility Solutions. I'm located in Houston, Texas. We came to Christina and GlobalSpex in 2017 looking for a reboot of an older website. We wanted a WordPress format, and so our friend had recommended GlobalSpex to us. We came and rebooted the website, and then a few years later, we added commerce to the same website and were able to update again. I can't say enough good about Christina and GlobalSpex. We have really found their service to be phenomenal. The number one thing I think that they do well for me is communication. They have established procedures and a ticket system that allow me to say, hey, this little thing needs tweaking, send that out, and I quickly get a response to say, we've received your request and we're processing it, and then there's good communication throughout that process. They also send out monthly reports that tell me what's going on my website, what they've updated, things like that. And even periodic changes that maybe deal with privacy that are something you wouldn't even think of, that you wouldn't know about. And they approach you and say, here's an important change that needs to take place. I love those things. I think those are critical for keeping up a website. And then GlobalSpecs offers a periodic meeting that you can schedule with Christina and kind of go over your site. She'll show you screenshots. She'll work through things with you that she's seeing and maybe you need to change, and then listen to you very well and say, oh, okay, this is what you need. Okay, let me work with that on you, and we'll figure this out. I think that's great. Care plan packages, we use her care plan package, and that's wonderful. That allows you to kind of fine tune what you need. There's different levels, and she provides service for just depending on your industry. Excellent company.